फ्रेंड्स लिसन केयरफुली। आज तक आपने बहुत सारे वीडियो देखे होंगे, पर आज जो वीडियो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ वो आपकी ज़िंदगी ज़रूर बदल के रख देगी। इट कैन रियली चेंज योर लाइफ। वॉच टिल द एंड, अंत तक वीडियो ज़रूर देखिएगा। आई होप यू विल डेफिनेटली लर्न समथिंग न्यू टुडे which is going to change your life. Yeah. Hope today you will learn the process of learning any new skill. We will learn the competence learning model. आप सोच सकते हो ये सारी वर्ड्स तो भारी भरकम है, हमारे किस काम के। इसीलिए दोस्तों वीडियो अंत तक देखिएगा, आपका काम ज़रूर आएगा। हेनरी फोर्ड जो कि फोर्ड कंपनी के फाउंडर है, उन्होंने बोला है एनीवन हु इज 20 और 80, अगर वो 80 के हो या फिर 20 के ही हो, वो अगर लर्निंग छोड़ देते हैं तो वो बुजुर्ग बन जाते हैं। बट जो कि सीखना कायम रखते हैं एंड स्टिल इज लर्निंग, वो हमेशा यंग ही रहते हैं। एनीवन हु कीप्स लर्निंग स्टेज यंग। डिज़रेली जो कि यूके के फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर रह चुके हैं, ही टोल्ड दैट बी कॉन्शियस दैट यू आर ignorant is a great step towards knowledge. So dear friends, in the competence learning model there are 4 different stages. You have to start from one stage and your goal should be to expert the final stage. So what are the 4 different stages of this learning model? These are unconscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, then it is conscious competence, and then unconscious competence. So your goal should be towards moving from unconscious incompetence to the stage of unconscious competence. दोस्तों सपोज आपने डिसाइड किया आपको अभी बाइक सीखना है, तो इन दैट वे यू डू नॉट नो इवन हाउ टू राइड ए बाइक, तो आपने एटलीस्ट you have started from your unconscious incompetence to conscious incompetence. Means you now know that you don't know how to ride a bike, so you should have one guru who would be teaching you this is brake, this is accelerator, and how to use the clutch and what are the gears. So now after that stage you learn how to ride a bike. आप conscious दिमाग से आप सोचते हो कैसे बाइक चलाना है, कौन सा टाइम पे ब्रेक लगाना है, कब एक्सीलेटर दबाना है, एंड एट द लास्ट एट द फाइनल स्टेज यू नो के नाउ you even in your unconscious mind you can ride the bike. Okay, so now at each and every step we will be learning how to develop our skills from first stage to the goal to expert up to the last stage of unconscious competence. Unconscious incompetence, what is the standing there? See friends, those people at this stage are not even aware of their deficiencies. They deny that the deficiencies even exist. Even they become angry with anyone who points out their deficiencies. So what to do at this stage? First of all, you should have a coach or a guru who can guide you, जो आपको guide कर सकता है. Now you should also know that be aware of the area in which you have lesser skills or you have incompetence. Learn and practice those skills. That is the most important line in this slide. Age 2, conscious incompetence. What is the standing? Now you know that you don't have that skill, or you should have skill, and you know the relevance of that desired skill at this stage. So you should learn from your guru or coach. Be a good listener. Practice, practice, and practice is the guru mantra here. Again, your main motto should be moving towards the conscious competence level or stage. What is the level at conscious competence? What is the standing? The standing here is that one can perform at his own will. इस स्टेज पे कोई बहुत अच्छी से स्किल को कर सकते हैं, बट द थिंग इज दैट दे कैनॉट टीच द अदर पर्सन. सो व्हाट टू डू एट दिस स्टेज? Practice again is the single effective mantra by the way one can become unconsciously competent or the expert. The fourth and the final stage of the expert, that is unconscious competence. So what is your standing there? The skills enter the unconscious mind and become a part of your personality. Even the skills can be taught to others by demonstration. So what to do in this process? You should have a regular or periodic check against those standards of excellence. So complacency should not come. That can turn down in your performance. So friends, I hope you have learned a lot. So there are lot many soft skills that can be developed nowadays, which I have already mentioned here. So please do follow my YouTube channel and subscribe and keep learning. Stay motivated, stay positive. Thank you for watching the full video. Thank you again.